this has improved more about my posture, and I'm feeling little comfortable. Wait, I'll just get up. What happened to this dude? He lost his balance completely. प्यार में गिर गया वो, प्यार में. So hello and welcome to another episode of Motovlogging. Today we are running a little late. It's usually we leave our house at 8ish something, but now it's 10 to 15 minutes late already. So wait, I'll just get up. What happened to this dude? He lost his balance completely. प्यार में गिर गया वो, प्यार में. So as you guys know, we have changed our handlebar of N150 to our N160 dual channel ABS model 2023, and the handlebar which we have changed is also N150 2023 models handlebar. So this gives me more comfort while riding, since it is uplift little bit compared to our old model, old handlebar which our bike was having before. So that was little leaned forward. As you can see, it was somewhere here, so I need to lean a bit for this. But as I have made this customization, so this has improved more about my posture, and I'm feeling little comfortable. In previous model also I was comfortable, to be honest, but it's just that while long rides and when you are traveling daily and carrying a bag, a heavy bag, then you might feel little discomfort on your traps. So to reduce that, I have installed this handle, and gradually it has been helping me to improve my ride quality. So I'll give you in detail about where I have. Just let me get add. For this N150, I have changed in the Bajaj service center itself. So I just asked them that, are you having the handle of N150, since he has suggested me, like many of the customers have changed this handlebar, so it would be very helpful for you, is what he told me, the guy named Abhi. So he will definitely help you. See, this is the Bajaj service center here, Panalal. So that guy told me like 8 or 9 customers have installed the same handle on the N160 and they are doing great. So I just asked them to bring the handle and just show me. So I have just placed the handle over here, and I have noticed the difference, that the handle which my stock handle which it was having was here somewhere, and when I have installed this new handle, so it is here. So by this you can judge how comfortable your posture has become. Wait, 3 2 1 go, buddy. You just check the handle first of all and just place it over this clamp, then you will get a judgment. Don't do anything, just place it, and then you will feel a difference in your sitting posture, and then you might take the decision. Because listening to me or any other moto vlogger, maybe the comfort is for him, not you. So sorry, so you should take your own decision. So for this you need to do this arrangement. Can I get yes, there's a gap finally. Oh, so he didn't stop only. This handlebar cost me around 332 rupees. I'll just put the bill of the handle in the screen so that you guys will see the actual price. It's 332 MRP of N150 handle, and the service charges will be like 185 since it's a service center. So you just need to pay around about 500 to 600 rupees. वो भी मैंने ज़्यादा ही बोला, उससे कम ही होता है. So they will just give you fit and provide you they will just fit and give you the handle, and then you are good to go. So it would be very easy and very helpful for you if you install this N150's handle. I have seen multiple videos on people installing KTM and KTM 200 or 250 Duke handlebar, and FZ also handlebar people are installing. But देखो, that things need alteration and drilling for that wires and all. And if you buy this, you don't need to do anything. All this work will be done by the service center, so it would be very easy for you, and you will be also be feeling safe, since the local mechanic, if it's trustworthy, then it's fine. But if the local mechanic is not doing the work properly, then it might lead to the changing of the handle again, and you will be like, मैं किधर फंस गया, 10 बार यही करना पड़ रहा है अभी ये वापस. So if you are a guy, you just need a little comfort, and you just need to good to go, then probably this is the handlebar for you. And I'll just place my photos of this handlebar and the previous handlebar. I'll just place a video if you guys can recognize through it, like what is my hand placement and is it worth to upgrade this handle. So by seeing this video, you can make your decision. But to be honest, I am feeling more comfortable. ये ऐसा नहीं है कि भाई लगा दिया है तो कुछ भी बोलूँगा. Trust me guys, this is little bit upright, but that would help you a lot. I'm not saying like it's like a totally like a that FZ handle, but it can serve the purpose. At least you will feel the comfort while riding, and this is just easy to take turns and all, because you just don't need to bend a lot for this. See, you are just upright, and I am a 5'11" guy. I am heighted, so for me the previous handlebar was also good, but even I need to bend a little bit, which can cause pain to the Shrug, what was she thinking? I was not telling you, bro, anything. I was just talking to myself. This can happen. Actually, people think, what are these stupid guys doing here? And why this road is empty and fuck, why is he going here? Speed pura रुका दिया. See, this is the new handle version 2. This feels a lot different since the seat is below. So you won't find any other difference. But according to this bike's posture, which is a little aggressive posture, so this handle will help you a lot. I am not telling like the Duke handle and FZ handle will not serve the purpose. It will, but थोड़ा extra मेहनत जाएगा उसमें आपका. Even I would be trying in the future, like if that is it really worth of installing Duke and FZ. So in the coming videos you will be seeing me doing more customization on my N160. अभी स्लोली एक करते जा रहा हूँ मैं, ताकि घर में कुछ बोले नहीं. सब एक साथ किया तो वाट लग जाएगी. तो स्लोली तो I have more customizations in my mind. I won't disclose them yet, but I will surely do it. So follow me for unique such contents and moto vlogging और daily lifestyle तो चलते ही रहती है. जैसे जैसे it's not planned, it's just random. सैटरडे को हम लोग किधर गए घूमने, या फिर कभी मोटो व्लॉग किधर कोई जगह पे. It's just random things. So if you love our videos, so please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting content. That's all for the video, guys. Be happy and live your own dreams. Bye bye. Peace out. See, it's just comfortable. ये देखो.
So please whatever. I want to reach 1 million.